Welcome everyone to West Orange High School in beautiful West Orange, New Jersey. You are now entering into Fundamentals with Kai. We're gonna work on the foundation of how you start in the triple threat. This is probably one of the first things I learned in basketball other than the left hand and right hand layup and being able to shoot. You're gonna start with your left foot planted base. That way we call this pivot. We're going to work simply on going in a circle as well as working the angles of the top of the key. We're gonna work off this foot, we're gonna hold it, make sure you're holding it tight, and we're gonna just work the jab in each direction. Jab, rock. Oh, you could add a head fake. That's for the pros. You gotta work your way up. The ball placement is just as important as your pivot foot because you have a defender, idealistically, right in front of you. So you wanna have this type of imagination when you're starting to work on your game, especially when you're by yourself. I'll do a live example so you guys can see it, game speed. And that's the triple threat. Now, I've watched some players get to isolations different ways. When I work out in the summertime, I'm working by myself is having this imagination and inviting all of these thoughts of what could possibly happen in the game. So we're gonna start at the free throw line. We're gonna catch it. We're gonna make sure that our shoulders are up, our elbows are up, and we're protecting it because there are a lot of nifty defenders that will get in there, they'll get their long arms, 6'11", 7 feet wingspan, 6'8", and they're active with their hands. This is about footwork here. So we're gonna turn left, boom, we're gonna jab, and then we're gonna take one dribble, and we're gonna spin, we're gonna finish with our left or right hand, all right? So we're gonna show it live, 2 reps. Oh, that's 2, that's okay. The key is that when you're missing shots or you know you're not making shots, it's literally momentum and it's the rhythm. Basketball is a rhythm. So if you don't have the rhythm, your heart, your mind moving at the same time, some of those things are gonna miss. So I'm gonna take my time, take a breath, I'm gonna jab, maybe late in the game. So, I may have to switch it to the left hand to make sure that the layup goes in. Like I said, this is about footwork. It's about being creative with your own body. So right now we're going to jump into our pick and roll breakdown, and we're gonna focus primarily on the sideline, which is one of the most effective pick and rolls. And I'm just gonna explain just some of the nuances of kind of what I'm thinking and how you can work on it at home. So we have Coach Elijah Carter here as well, and we're gonna demonstrate. We're gonna run into what we call a step-up sideline pick and roll. And the object of this is for the big to set a wide screen, make the defender make a decision to continue to go with Eli to fight over the screen, or he or she may go under the screen and meet you on the other side. So we're gonna teach it right now. Boom. Wait, I'm too close to the sideline. Okay, come on, E. We're gonna come off with some pace. We're gonna make a move a little bit before the step up. So we're gonna go between cross. We're gonna come off tight. And those are the breakdowns. Isolation, triple threat, and pick and roll. Thanks for partnering with me, guys.